Good day, everybody. And once again, we're back together. Right, and this time we're looking at question 7. So if you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and make your favorite uncle your favorite uncle. Right, let's dive into the questions. We've already answered all the other questions, question 1 to 6, right, on our technical maths paper 2 for grade 10s. So let's dive into question 7 together. They say in the diagram below we've got AC, which is a pole, right, with our South African flag, Nkosi sigaleli Africa, right? AC is a flag pole, which is perpendicular to the ground. So we know that this is going to make an angle of 90 degrees over there. They say a boy has to calculate the height of the flagpole, right? He takes a rope that is tied to C, pulls it tight, and places it at point P. Okay, so there's the rope placed at point P. Okay, right, and which is 6 meters from A. So this distance here from A till P is 6 meters, but that's already been indicated. Now they say to us the length of the rope CP is 10 meters. Okay, triangle CAP is then formed. Right, now that means that this must be a 90-degree triangle, because if that made a 90-degree triangle, or rather is perpendicular to the ground, so it must make an angle of 90. So they say calculate with reasons the height of the pole. All right, now ladies and gents, please note we've got two sides and we've got a 90-degree triangle. So what do we note in this case? If we've got a 90-degree triangle, then it means that we can apply the Pythagorean theorem, right? The Theorem of Pythagoras. So the square of the hypotenuse, that's CP squared, is equal to the sum of the squares, so that's CA squared, plus AP squared. So CP is 10. CA is what we're looking for. And AP is 6 squared. So if I say to you, well, CA squared, if I take that 6 squared to the other side, this is going to be 100 minus 6 squared is 36. Okay, so the value of CA, okay, if I said 100 minus 36, me being lazy, that would be 64. Right, so sorry, that's CA squared. And so CA will be the square root of 64. And so that will be just simply 8 units. Remember that 8 squared. So we took the square root on both sides. And please note, when you take the square root, you get plus or minus. But here we are talking about distance. So we are not going to entertain the negative part of this solution. Okay, right, so they say what will the length of the rope be if the boy wants to place it 5 meters away from A. Right, so we want to know, remember this is the rope over here. Okay, so what's the boy doing? They say the boy wants to place it 5 meters away from A. So meaning the boy wants to place it, actually 5 meters should be less than 6 meters. So say wants to put it over there, right? Okay, so now the distance from A till that point, let's give it a name, let's call it point Q. Now the distance to Q will actually be 5 meters, okay? So AQ is 5 meters, because remember AP was 6 meters, okay? Right, and what do we want to know? How long will the rope be if that is the case? Right, now that we've got the size, the height does not change. Okay, so the height will not change. That's still 8 units. So we can find out what CQ is. So I'm going to say CQ squared, that's the hypotenuse, is equal to AQ squared plus CA squared. And I'm not going to waste much time on this one, ladies and gents. So we are looking for the length of the rope. Okay, that's what they wanted us to do. AQ, that's going to be 5. So that's 5 squared plus CA, that's our height. That's 8 squared. Okay. And ladies and gents, please note, so CQ, I'm going to say, well, that's going to be the square root of 5 squared plus 8 squared. Okay, and I get the square root of 89. Yeah, I'm going to leave it in that format. Square root of 89 units. If you want to, you can write it in decimal form. That's going to be 9.43 units. Okay, right, so that will be the length of CQ. And ladies and gents, I am going to leave that question right there. We were applying the theorem of Pythagoras in this case. The square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. For now, let's leave it there, and I'll see you guys again next time. Sharp, sharp.